Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic and Skibidi Toilet as one character. What I want you to do is I want you to follow along and in the comments section, name this character. What do we call it? The best one's going to be pinned. Let's get into the lesson right now. Alright, let's go over the mixture of Sonic and Skibidi Toilet, alright? So, let's start with Sonic. I would say the Sonic head. That's a big deal. So right here I'm going to go down, up, down. It's kind of like a roller coaster there. Curving a little bit back right here for, this is the brow of Sonic, in case you're unaware. Up over here for the other brow, around the end, okay? And then curve down over here, out for the nose, down, pull in, curve up, circle for the highlight of the nose, and then we're going to fill this in. All right, sweet. Up over here, down, curve around. Curve over here. And line around here. All right, cool. Kind of a U shape right there for the far side eye, and then over here a circle shape right here for that pupil and iris. Highlight over here, and then fill in the rest, or you can put a dot there, but I'm just going to fill in his entire eye. Smile. Let's go over here to the edge, and then pull back over here, in over here for another spike, and in over here for this spike. Over here, down, over here, down, line underneath, up over here, down, right there. So that triangle under, inside that ear, right? So far it's just Sonic, right? So far, but we're about to get into the Skibidi Toilet part. Line right here, give him like a small neck because he doesn't really have a neck usually. Maybe a little bit more right here. And now we're gonna get into the Skibidi Toilet part. So line across. Don't forget, by the way, check out the free ebook in the description. There's a free ebook. I was charging $20 for it. It is an ebook on how to draw something cute. If you like, drawing cute, like chibi, anything like that. If you like that stuff, if you're a big fan of that, I teach you every single thing about it. And it is a 20-page ebook, and it's all pictures for the most part. Super simple. You'll remember. You'll just have that knowledge and how to draw something kind of chibi, and and yeah, you pretty much draw like 90% of it's like the same stuff, and I put it in there for you. It's $20. It was $20, but now it's 100% free. If you go down to the description right now, it is totally free. Out over here, down, at least for the moment, down over here. Okay, that's the toilet seat itself. Okay, gonna go over here now. Line across. Got that toilet seat. All right, over here, down, over here, down, line underneath, out over here, down, for the bottom part of that toilet where it touches the ground, right there, and straight across. Okay. Let's go for that seat in the back. So over here, curve, and I'm going to pull a pretty big curve kind of this direction. Curve over here. It's gonna go behind the ear right there. At the top. Go over here in this area, and I'm gonna try to find it in the back here. Line over here. Cool, cool, cool. So you got that the seat in the back, and we'll go like a circle over here, circle over here, circle over here, over here, just to kind of, you know, find that circle of the bowl, it's etc. Up to the bowl of the seed itself, right? And now we're gonna draw the back portion, that tank area. Line across over out over here. Go over here in this area. Line over here. Curve up. Over here on this side. Curve up. Curve over here. Cross. We're going to try to catch it on this side. That's a big thing. Don't forget to share the video, by the way. Sharing the video is the best way to support the channel. I am, you know, really pushing the channel lately, and I am kind of taking a lot of requests as well. So don't forget to really share the video if you do anything. That is the biggest thing you can do. I made the tank a little bigger just because Sonic's head's kind of bigger. So just a little bit bigger, nothing wild, nothing crazy. All right, I'm gonna go over here, down a little bit, across, continue over here. We're gonna catch it on this side. One over here, one over here. Okay. So that's that top part of the tank. Right there. Alrighty. And then we're gonna go over here. We're gonna put the actual, that lever that you press, kind of something like over here. You can kind of draw maybe a lever, like a line right there to make it look a little bit more realistic of a lever, right? Like another square inside of it, because it makes it look a little bit better in 3D. And then lastly, I'm gonna throw a slightly thicker line right here around the outside only. Outside only, it's just trying to make it work, you know. Sweet. Post a video every day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, and we got stickers coming soon to the channel. Over here. Right on. Click over here, curve it around here. All right, that's pretty much it. I want you to stay around with me, and I want you to do another video with me, okay? Let's do another lesson together. So let's jump right into the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.